Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things, Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. Say, Lord, you are, you're my everything. Say, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nissi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nissi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are. You're my everything. Uyamatingina. 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 Oh, uyamatingina. Yeah. So, uyamatingina. I call you Jireh, say. I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nissi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are my everything. Yeah. Are you ready, everybody? All right, listen. William me round, come here. 1, 2, set. I can breathe without you, say. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, Lord. I can move without you. Hey, who am I without you? Who am I without you? Say, I can live without you, yeah. I can live without you. I can breathe without you, Lord. I can breathe without you. I can move without you, yeah. I can move without you. Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Who am I? Hey, who am I thinking now? So, oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So, oh, yeah.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.
.340 or 077-127-61884.
Rainbow Radio, live 92.4 FM and DAB+.
Rainbow Radio.
Yedi abrochiri aba Ghana. Yedi Ghana aba abrochiri.
Ampa Rainbow Radio yedi abrochiri akọ Ghana ene yedi Ghana aba abrochiri. Anapai mamema wo achi na mensama wo afrishiapa na mema wo akpaba. Emra Rainbow Radio kasafidi kesi isu aha eye 92.4 FM. Anapai ade achi yene Uncle Ben boss nankasa ana anapai yebetwetwe nkomo. Sania emre na kọ nanim nti mayense emre. Katire wunia no no so nkankyere ne nua se papa atenase eno nti bia entwe na konwa emben ne radio no na ye ne papa entimi endi nkomo. Papa mepa ochew mema wo achi esama wo akwaba eba ye dwumadie kesie yi so anapai erade edi acheyen.
Oh, Bishop, anopai yeso yema akwaba yema wache na anopai die emsa sida de menyame se wetimi amaye asori ahomka yenyina ya behia ye de odo abom na anopai michia yetifo wona wabeka ye ho wo Facebook, YouTube, BWF Solicitors website munyina yechiamo na I hope say anopai dwuma yebedi no ebeboa obi anopa bia na ya sorry a ade e wo ye ni so poten ne say den na obetimi aye na wo de aboa community no enti ye hope say nema yebeboa ani no ebetimi aboa obi na ono nso etimi aboa obi na ye nyina ye ho abae ti bishop anopa ye bae a yamba no bone so eye ahoto na anigye ene odo ana ye de bebo odom.
Papa sane papa kan no se obebuga ubi no obi nso abuga ubi no obi nso abuga ubi enokre enti wo hwe a ewiase mu nyema nyina no ye nyina ye boaboa ye ho enti anopa yi ka kire wonua bi ko Facebook no so na pemo so fa koma wonua no wo boa na no ka kire ne se papa atenase e betwa nsem no gu edi ama ha eye Rainbow Radio International wo Manchester eye DAB plus wo Mentinkinsa DAB ubetumi anya ye live ewo Alexa ena wo landing so adi bi ni de ba bia wo bia wobetimi onsa kan ye wo ka mu 92.4 FM wo fie wo radio no wo fikyire na wo damu 92.4 anopai yankɔgye update free papa ho ye the update ne ba na ye the topic no abeto awo papa wadaroma anopai yangi update
Bishop anopai the update wo ho e-visa say the kan no na say obia nkoso nye de owoso ye na onsisi ne po na ebeya say na eben a nkrofo bebre an Russia nkoguso na no nso ankoso problem be na wetwe ne mehu say afi wo ye visa na ye do hye queue mu ade anka odi tu ma patcho na nka edimu na bibia ye kama no sisi a no de hye so a edi queue mu na mesra mo moma memfa afutuo ma obia e-visa no wo de wo biometric residence permit a eguso a wonwie mesra mutie ne ye sa wo de wo biometric resident permit BRP no ɛno na usually yɛde yɛ wode gu so a wonwie wanya de agu so no a ɔma send wo email sɛ ɔma link wo e-visa no to wo biometric card no ɛwɔ sɛ wode wo passport a ɛyɛ Ghana passport anaa passport bi a wokura biara no wo san deɛ no nso gu so na ɛno no wokɔ wo account ne ma ɛyɛ UKVI account na over left side now, or say update your details. So update your details, no click here and over call update your documents. Now with your phone, extra or Ghana passport no picture. Mr. And your PDF and your scan. And your JPEG. To try to photo now, you're sure so Ghana passport no will be able to say baby a phone wa ya line be cross be brave wo ho no ye sure say we try no complete any wo phone no we try na what they upload ama wo account no wo di shema obe say call round sa or say wa document na wa upload no wa pass na emuma ye mere kakra na ebepi 5 to 10 minutes on send us an email say omo update your documents so what to will be BRP no crack kene na what the Ghana passport ni shema obehu say ebe yi wo e-visa naba one year no a mesrel December no we see Ghana because ye nyina ye call Ghana December akodi Christmas so when you see Ghana and you know ya ka Ghana ye mbabio na munim say Ghana nso de wonya kɔka na ɛho adwuma yɛ ama wasaba no aya edin kakra ɛne sikatua ne nneɛma no enti moma mensi so pi e-visa no wode wo biometric card no ana permit no ya wonwie ɛyɛ first step ɛwɔ sɛ wotwa wo passport no photo na wo update wo details document section na wode hyɛ hɔ wode hyɛ hɔ wie a na afei abie mu na kyerɛ sɛ wo passport no nso a sisi ɛyɛ 10 years no passport no ɛno a na wode kɔ baabi a wode yɛ adwuma wode tumi yɛ share code wode yɛ biribiara na deɛ mehu ne sɛ nkurɔfoɔ bebree a wɔn kura EU resident card wode ne yɛ BRC a asɛm a meka yi wonka ho bi wɔn woyɛ EU ni biara ɛwɔ e-visa dada ɛnna ne nansa yɛnua bɛrima bi ɔbaa ɔno akɔpɛ ne ho asɛm akɔ fekyerefekyere ne nneɛma ma ɔde EU card na akɔhyɛ e-visa nim afei ade na blɔko meyɛyɛyɛyɛyɛyɛyɛ ɔmo sɛ daabi na ade na blɔko nti na wɔ sɛ ɔfrɛ home office foɔ na ɔmo ɛfekyerefekyere nneɛma bi na ɔmo yi no nti nsɛm a maka nyinaa EU foɔ mo nka ho na mmom yɛhwɛ sɛ wo passport no ɛyɛ connected to BRC ɛwɔ EUSS wo pre-settle and our settle status no wode biribiara hyɛ EU for August sɛ aban ɛde update bi aba for EU for na first no nanka wowɔ COA a ɛyɛ certificate of application nanka wotumi de tu kwan. But August yi ọma atwerɛ sɛ wayɛ wɔ application under EU settled status na application no yɛnyɛ decision ọmụ advice ne sɛ mentu kwan. Advice ọmụ de ma wo ne sɛ mentu kwan. However, yɛnyɛ wɔ issues with that because we have Article 18.3 of the withdrawal agreement na. Ɛse sɛ obi ɛwɔ kurom ha dada by the time UK is free EU ni mu a na ɔwɔ COA ɛwɔ sɛ otimi ɛde tu kwan. Sɛ application no pɛnde koraa na ɛwɔ sɛ otimi de tu kwan. Enti unfortunately no saa new updates no affecting nkurɔfoɔ bebree. Bɛyɛ bosome ni me clients nkɔlaa bi a ɔmo ne ɔmaame baa a ɔmo yɛ ɔsɛ ɔmo twa ɔmo ho akɔ Europe aba no ɔmo bɛduiɛ no home office for nyame nko a nka ɔmo san deɛ ɔmo kɔ back ama ɛno no yɛde yɛ brɔfo a yɛte ne mmerɛ nim a sɛbe yɛtumi akyerɛkyerɛ mu no yɛde too hɔ a mekan ɔmo agye atom sɛ ɔmo ntumi mfa ɔmo nkɔ ba ɔmo application a ɔmo hwɛ no ɔmbɛhwɛ enti yɛsrɛ mo time kɔ ti update ne deɛ yɛde bɛba ne video na megya ama prophet na ɔno nso questions ɔwɔ no anaasɛ main topic no yɛakɔ anim.
Mo papa yɛda wase anɔpa yi ɛyɛ a wobɛbue nneɛma ni so sei ɛma yɛ a na yɛn nso yɛ ho asisi yɛ ho anɔpa yi ka yɛ hunu sɛ ɛyɛ BWF Solicitors ɛna anɔpa yi yɛne ɔmo ɛtwetwe nkɔmmɔ sanea ɛyɛ a yɛawɔ da biara yɛyɛ no anɔpa yi nso papa abie mu agu hɔ ɔde update no aba nti yɛnkɔfa ɛndɛ topic no mmerɛ na afi yɛmpagya no mfiri ɛhɔ na yɛde ɛndɛ topic no ɛreba no na mema wo nso ate aseɛ sɛ wohwehwɛ papa na wakɔ na tenaeɛ anaasɛ n'asoɛeɛ na yɛne no atumi akɔdi nkɔmmɔ ama nneɛma asisi so ama na yɛ kama fa open no ne memfa address no emfa mbro memfa address no mbro sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a wɔnyera kwan de bia ne America ne sɛ Tesco car park hɔ deɛ ɛyɛ 90 minutes free enti ukɔ a na wapull in na wode ahyɛ hɔ kama ɛyɛ 4th floor Anna House 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters Landing N15 4NP Landing N15 4NP na hwɛ sɛ wopɛ sɛ ubuku appointment a telephone number no ɛyɛ 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 emergency number ofra Uncle Ben so direct papa ho ɛna ɛkɔ 077 127 61884 077 127 61884 BWF Solicitors are your preferred community lawyers. Eno mo adisua enanda no pay. Papa edi ebreyen. Na afe ye ko ene ye topic no so no. Me pacho fa me topic no ma me why. Ye ko ene ye topic no so no. Na me hye won kran aka kire wo se. Ka kire obisiani ni se ene papa tenase inti ombra. Or say avoiding common mistakes that lead to refusal and 10 years bound. Avoiding common mistakes that leads to refusal and 10 years bound. Enti ene ye bisa papa say na ye avoid mistakes ti say mistakes bi sense ɛdeɛn mistakes ɛna yɛyɛ a ɛbɛma yɛn anya refusal na ɔma bound yɛ for 10 years. Papa, wadaroma.
Bishop, say sa topic way na deɛ nti a yɛde baeɛ no yɛtɛ hu nkrofo bebree wɔ community ne mu a ɔmo enya ban na ebi wɔ hɔ a na ɛnyɛ ɔno ne fault a first of all yɛfrɛ biribi yɛfrɛ ne general grounds for refusal first no na yɛfrɛ ne 320 nti wote 320 pɛ na wo ho po na kyerɛ sɛ yɛba abɛtwe w'aso sɛsi a ɔmo de agu part 9 of the immigration rules 89.7.1 and then 9.8.1 de kɔ no ɛno na cover saa grounds no yɛfrɛ biribi misrepresentation anaasɛ wadane asɛm n'ani yɛfrɛ biribi deception ɛno sɛ watwa ntorɔ anaa wopɛ sɛ wosisi aban ana yɛfrɛ biribi in law no yɛfrɛ no innocent mistake na saa misrepresentation deception no nneɛma a esom a ɛno nti no yɛde twe w'aso no ɛyɛ biribi a yɛfrɛ no intention nti wadwempɔ sɛ wode biribi asi w'ani so sɛ wokɔyɛ na ade no wode ekosisi aban enti the first part a mepɛ sɛ obiara hu no sɛ nsɛm a mebɛkan ɛyɛ very common sɛ nkurɔfo bebree wɔ hɔ a ɔmoyɛ application a nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmonhwɛ the first one a mepɛ sɛ obiara hyɛ ne nso no sɛ woyɛ application ama UKBA anaa UKVI anaa Home Office Secretary of State no mmara no ma no ho kwan sɛ use false documents use deception use misrepresentation ɛwɔ saa application no so anaasɛ saa false document and false representation wokɔyɛɛ ɛwɔ baabi foforɔ ɛnyɛ Home Office ba wayɛ wɔ baabi foforɔ ana wo use saa de no ɛde abɛgye wasetena wɔ Home Office a yɛtumi twom aso enti yɛhwɛ paragraph 9.7.1 ade a ɛka ne sɛ woyɛ application anaasɛ woyɛ biribi na wode bɛgye ɛhoma bi anaasɛ obi ɛboa wo na woyɛ application na wamma no kredi na dadi anaasɛ wamma wo documents no anyɛ genuine anaasɛ woma false information a yɛbɛtumi ama wo application no yɛ refuse no saa paragraph yi sɛ wonim sɛ asɛm no a yɛatwerɛ no yɛ nokorɛ o sɛ wonim sɛ yɛ nokorɛ o yɛbɛ refuse o example wode application akɔma travel agent no ɛyɛ asetena ama wo travel agent no anaasɛ agent anaasɛ nipa a wɔboa wɔ ha yɛbisa sɛ wayɛ application bi akɔ UK da anaasɛ wayɛ application bi da wo sɛ daabi yɛbisa wo sɛ yɛ refuse wo application bi da wo sɛ daabi na wayɛ wode kɔ na ɔmo hu sɛ wo passport no nka wokɔ Italy ana yɛ refuse wo Italian visa nti si wo passport no ɛyɛ ntorɔ but ɛnyɛ wo na wofɛle application no but still no ɛyɛ ntorɔ nti because sɛ ɛyɛ ntorɔ no ɛyɛ automatic refusal however no ɛnyɛ ne nyinaa na ɛyɛ automatic refusal because sɛ ɛyɛ innocent mistake yɛmfa nsɛ ebi a yɛsi income ɛwɔ sɛ minya £29,000 na mekɔkyerɛw income no makɔkyerɛw 29,500 ɛnso me documents a mede kaa ho no ɛyɛ 28,000 ɔmbɛhu sɛ ɛyɛ innocent mistake no ayɛ enti ɛno no yɛntwe w'aso ɛmbaane wo but yɛbɛtwe w'aso in the sense that even within the law no won't qualify because we need 29,000 adeɛ a mehu usually no a skilled worker COS for ɛna student normally no ɔmo ba ha nti COS for no ebi a na obi ama no bank statement anaasɛ wama no certificate sɛ ɔnuse ɛmfa nyɛ na ɔno no deɛ or an application akoma sa agent no. Enti agent no ade a ɔyɛ no sɛ ɔno no ayɛ ɔne obi ayɛ bibi enti wayɛ application no. Wa application no yɛ wo dea no wonim sɛ wo dea wakotua wo sika nti agent no na ɔhandle bibia. Sɛ agent no de saa bank statement no kɔ anaasɛ ɔde saa COS no kɔ na yɛma wo asetena na wobedu ha na within a few months and a few years aban no hu sɛ wo use false document bi a ɛno no so wombɛtwam ne aban no. Deɛ ɛyɛ common mistake a ɛno no a sometimes ɛyɛ menti aseɛ no sɛ woyɛ wo application under paragraph 9.7.3 no ɛyɛ identical ɛma 9.7.1 but ɛno no fa entry clearance no ho sɛ yɛde ama wo dada na woba kurom ha na yehu sɛ ade a yɛde ama wo no problem bi wɔ hɔ. Mama wo example Kofi Antobam apply for indefinite stay as a yere. Apply for indefinite stay no ɔsɛ ɔyɛ self-employed. The income no also declare 18.6 because what them 5 years into old style no. Now 18.6 no or the home office form no say 18.6. Anna need SA 302 Anna unaudited accounts no. Na accountant no show say the income no gross profit no 9,000. And so the home office forms and na accountant letter watchra ama no actually say onya 18.6. And you be say saa no ontwa ntro nkyere home office but we twa ntro akyere HM revenue and customs because ordinary application no ko or person application no di mu nti no wasesa evidence na or the ma HM revenue and customs no abeye no sena o meet requirements. Yes, meaning say sometimes o file accounts or HM revenue and customs a chiro betimi akọ na wakọ amend no. But you're very careful because the critical issue is automatic refusal under deception. And it says that deception no although say in your home office now will deceive woman, will deceive another body. In the same way, so what the Ghana birth certificate, EBA, and now death certificate. Now home office after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, me no kase me obe for that minimum. Now ya try say ye be twa setting because you are checking with Ghana. Ghana for say with death certificate and answer with birth certificate and yet genuine because it knew on records. So enu be mo na kire say critically no ye combine paragraph 98 and 981 and 987. Ade a kire ne say when you use deception in a previous application. Although say na ye hu no omo call back na omo akɔhwɛ application so. Enti omo hu bibi saa na under 9.8.7 9.8.1 no omo call back a ombitimi atwam. Na ade a mepɛ sɛ obi a hyɛ no nso ne sɛ saa ade a mabobɔ din a avoidable mistakes, deception, misrepresentation, inaccurate information, withholding information, not disclosing adequate information. Ubetimi asolve. Enti si ebisa say or conviction. Driving offense, speeding offense, a penalty and your conviction. But for the purposes of the home office application, almost father say a conviction. Because here you can conviction will be in say wako court ama yebu for. Debbie, we a conviction for home office. Enti who speeding offense, or driving offense, or traffic offense. Ni nyinaa ɛwɔ sɛ wo declare. and affect your application. But say when declare about affect your application. 2. Mr. Yen dear your application. Untibrofo. Yeah, the form no ebechero. Now you started from A to B. Akosia ama adwoa efua mansa. Number 1, correct and number 2, correct and Mr. Ghana for. Oh lawyer, and intina me de bre no, Mr. Wa hwemu mame, Mr. Mo. We nya wa hwemu mame asem. Se what the application ekoma lawyer bia. Ansa na lawyer no or the beko no. O fill forms na manonfa draft no mra. Ma lawyer no enye time ma. Na wone no na munkom. It may take it 30 minutes maximum. 20-30 pages. And yet 200 pages. Misremo. Because be a dekete. What do you want catching lawyer no there? But lawyer no mistake, you know. No so anhwe also anhwe na call you. A bit me do them. Didn't you bit me do them ne say? Ono lawyer na obeso wasem no. Afa no obeso wasem. Also by 15 years ago. Yachi watum da. Ya serve notice sako Ghana da. Ana ukoshia bema bi. Ana ono woye. Ana obane ye British. Ana wejina bema no so. Sorry, obano so edi agi asetena. 12 years ago. Inti wukoje indefinite. Now question na ye bisa say, have you been asked to leave the UK before? Lawyer no say no. Because as far as you're concerned, umfa bibia nkyere no. But so what as a lawyer, anything I'm the bread or not. Now we na nkom na opushi ke na kwa. Home Office for why a misrepresentation. Enti a ban. Sorry, a refusal. And a ban, but a refusal. Na sa refusal na a misrepresentation. Although say a innocent mistake. You know. Case law says a lawyer a mistake. Wono affect you. Wontimi nka se me lawyer na ya mistake. Eninti na yen ya application na obia be di adase. Ye de draft no brew obi wo a wo de koma na oh lawyer there be na mo there be misraw. Ye wo reason ti e de abrew. Because when I also go through now approve application. Misraw. So what the documents a command lawyer. What the marriage certificate be akọ. Na lawyer na mu ehu mistake bi also. And I say onye Ghana ni into who Ghana customary marriage na who mistake no. But ansa na wo de bekọ no. Mo upload documents no. Lawyer bia sabe oya lawyer sabe or experience na qualification. E was say o documents na o de aba no. Onne wo enye se ono nko a. Onu hwem. No ye sure say information na or de share application so no. And net or documents no ebobra. Enti o marriage certificate or see a check data or ware. 2 data or register a marriage certificate no. 3 address anawte ansana or ware because ni nyina egu marriage certificate so statutory declaration a the kan so obi atwero ni din wo so say me na ne wusu me ye akuatene wa eja into o papa but application also you bisa our parents name we British nationality what you din for na akoshe so but marriage certificate na we call home office da achi bi no so our marriage certificate bi no o papa din obi wo so say o ye o papa obi nso wo so say o ye wo maame two no mmobra into then na obey the first thing I'm a person we you say so we nye sure yes sir a subject access request je home office file ma ho time because it me check intima ntwen ma aka 1 month no your application o say lawyer Mr. Oye adi mame na lawyer so o say me check it because nan say obi a oba ha no oni be ma bi ni oba na ba na sa be ma no o say omo ba say empena law no so nan say na ye introduce intimi nim say there be agent na o ye ma o no e bia or the certificate control on one country. Na mencha de e koje ne fa bae. Ampa na agent no de aware certificate akoto so ama krachi ya make waba ha be ware obi ono nso nim se oba no ono ne ba ya no oba no de na ye ne mpena kwa oma ware enso agent na oye free Ghana no ode bibia to so se ye ne yire enti nke the application no call with the new marriage certificate awaware obi fofora one year divorce because ye nim de wo ho but because ye were experience it no ye kire ne se there be mpena no wontimi mfa mma ha saa enya possible mpena side no nansen na ye start enti ehwe mu no ayehu ye no na wo se ye ka kire nipa no se o marriage certificate we no e wo se wonya ho divorce ansa na waye now ade bi nso ye frɛ no document examination report. Na saa document examination report no anaasɛ document verification report no ɛyɛ DVR no ɛyɛ critical. When the final one amedema sɛ home office troll ebi da m'anim a me no kasa ebi na da m'anim ayi. Almost say dear so and so, it's come to our attention that the birth certificate you use in support of your settlement application is a forged document. We've been notified by the Birth and Death Registry of Ghana that this document was not issued by them. This is a minded to letter providing you with opportunity to explain why we should not curtail your leave, cancel your leave, or revoke your settlement. Ohene, almost say, Ghana aban pesua bi aka kyerɛ almost say wo birth certificate no esi de bia. Ana death certificate na wo de buy no enye papa. Enti omo ba betwa wasetenanim. Besra bibi say ne yetwa ma yesan ban ne 10 years. Ye ba betwa wasetenanim enti wo ho bibi ka ye mesra mensro. The first thing I was aware no was a dear aban. Me da wasi bebree say watchro me. Say birth certificate na me de buy no. Ana death certificate no. Ghana for say enye papa. Mesra may refer more to more document verification report guidance. So more document verification report guidance I friend DVR no. Say some more yet document verification checks version 1 na 12 December 2016. Or say answer na wo be your decision. I was supply me a copy of the report. Enti mona mo se Ghana for say me birth certificate na nya papa. Enti misra mo momfa document verification report no embreme. In any event no mo minded to letter na mo de mama me 28 days. Misra mo because say in law ye wo bibi ye friend no equity. Equity no actually say bibia woni me ye bia ye frɛ bibi fairness. Fairness no kyerɛ sɛ wo bebua me for a ɛwɔ sɛ nkontaa wo pese me bu no wo de document kyerɛ me. In the same way, Police and Criminal Evidence Act, a friend it pays eka. Sɛ wo charge me with offense bia ɛwɔ sɛ wo ma me hu offense ko. Na wo kyerɛ me evidence ko a ɛkyerɛ sɛ ma commit saa offense. Enti mehu sɛ o letter ya wo de ba yi wamfa DVR anka ho. Enti me so me ma 28 days sɛ fa DVR no bra. Na wo de DVR no ba me amend me response ya me de ama wo until sɛ wo de DVR no ba no wo nyɛ fair enkyerɛ me. Sɛ wo so trouble we kɔma wo mo a sisi no letter na omo sie se Ghana aban na ka kire wo no e wo so omo de ba de me hu ni se 99% Ghana aban entwere letter bi ama ade o ma ye ne se o ma soma British High Commission ama British High Commission afre obi wo death and the birth registry echo to reference number no ama sa British High Commission nipa na atwere note say oh almost say ade we ni omo system na ade ni omo system omo na omo de ma me enti so omo na omo de ma me na omo say ni omo system I mean na ma akofo je ade ayeden sa argument ya make case law case law 2019 Court of Appeal case ebaya enunti no aban no edesesa na requirement for misrepresentation, false representation, and false documents. Sa ban ya ebaye under the case of your friend Balaji Gari 2019 Court of Appeal. Say aban ebebua for I was say or the evidence natural. I was say obo koko normal mre. But saa di we die aban amma okoko aban amma omere enti wo watwere kɔ no se omu gyina so no mu di twa wasetene mu a ene wo tumi no because ade a omo ka ne ye dokre but law no efre bibi efre no all the pattern rule or say listen to the other side the right of hearing one man the right of hearing. And because someone mouth the right of hearing, no man provide evidence against you, no, bibi on be your way questionable. But emunyina no, oh your application, you're careful, can credit, check your forms, show passport to Musa stamp be woman, show documents now what they come, or say wom kai bibia, my lawyer, and your file in free home office. It is a wouldn't say bibi wa a bit me a hour. Men train my 1 month in due and send away your application. 6 months, 7 months, 8 months to the time. Lawyer, and I cry wow call home office website. Now the two sa and our subject access requester or fail a former. Now the documents, evidence of ID call, proof of address call, or document in the bro. I hope say dear Yadiama and Nano, a bit me a boa will be. Name mom. Sɛ saa de bi ato a wonhu kwan yɛbɛyɛ video ɛbɛba bakɔyɛ website deɛ meka nyinaa no egu so na watumi ahwɛ brɔfo no meka baako brɔfo ana meka baako twi sɛ twi na wote a mesrɛ wo twere twi na ma obi translating kɔ brɔfo ma because minim sɛ yɛ Ghana for dodoɔ na tumi kan twi bible ɛtwerɛ twi brɔfo no na ɔmu ntumi ntwerɛ wotwerɛ no twi a my lawyer and translating ko. Mimitimi read twi, but mintimi entro, but me read ya metro brofum na ba. Se si a me no okay. iPhone at the update aba. Obi a wo iPhone bia. Se brofo no na eye we na wontimi ntro a. Ye frɛ bibi ye frɛ no voice memo any. Sa voice memo no. Wo ye recording na wo ka brofo a eno a betro letter na ma. A friend of transcription. A true letter no ma we are ubetimi use sa letter no e de aye email na what their support to application. Bishop and then we anamidi jamo.
Mo papa asɛm no nyina na wahwie agu hɔ amaye no we de na me bisa question bi ba wa boss kakra me sɛ wa anko deep na me bisa sɛ obi akɔsa situation mu a ebia wonim and the information ya wodi two way say obetimi I go back to challenge it enti wagya sa enti ono no oti wo say or train the 10 years ama band no aye over and sana watiki step na omo sa condition mu no is there any way I obetimi I go back no I call rectify the case no I catch home office say no I think say no my mistake inti monsamra back na mo mehwem na mo yi band ni mfiri me so obetimi aye ne saa
Yes obetimi aye ban no na bear in mind say yeah the ban not also we need right of appeal but all right to judicial review no 90 days but you will trick be a use obetimi akamu biom to kamu no bo enhu say o trick bi na o trick yo no mo ya no mo kase there bi asem na ye kan ye gina so a new decision into 90 days no start bio we a trick me dia chama your lawyers trick share you buto mo use na mo nkose no bishop ma me kan se mi kiro enra fee waiver for a frame me dofo bi a me an application and ya no pay me sorry me who say o mama no fee waiver no na application no ebewu next year aka 6 months na setena na wu na ye an application for fee waiver na ntem ye no 2 months ago enra mo frame we dim nkomo me di o say Mr. Wusu na ade a ode aba ntem yi so obema adwuma ye na obema na doso ada na won twɛn na 6 months no because ye bre ana me do fu nim mo anso na mo ye ama ye de ade ba ntem mi obi wo mo ho a edi 4 months enti we no na minim se obeye no ntem enti wo so no ade no ba mo so mo hwɛ mu ntem na mo fa mra de oka kire me ne se de enti a delay wo ho no omo hu nkrofo bebre se omo twa ntrochro mo so mo pay fee waiver na omo de buy time omo hu about 35% increase in fee waiver na omo hu se sa nkrofo no so no reason na omo dey apply for fee waiver no be omo apply on the basis of family life and our private life na kire no be hu so omo sign your application omo akọji COS wonim ade a ka kire me topic here ya kan ho asem misrepresentation enti wo call home office akọji fee waiver no wonim say anya fee waiver na wo kọji because won't qualify for fee waiver because anya human rights application na wo ba be ye na wo pese wo buy time because obi a promise wo say wo COS wo ho na man be 2 months enti wo no wo the fee waiver no kọ because fee waiver no ya wo ntia fee enti wonim say be kwa ko delay ba asem a maame no ka kire me no as to whether say omo be use misrepresentation against you omo anase omo use no mo ma me warn your community no misrew fee waiver for omo ye human rights application private life family life wo long residence wo yire wo kum wo ugina wo baso wo ugina wo jaso ana ye fee waiver amount so wonim say wo pese wo top time for COS men for was seven coffee waiver because mamia or catch them. In fact, call no one point of transfer man. Say Sandra or see home office for. I no pay me sorry, see I no pay me who say omo the fee waiver na ma me dofo no. But obey an application within 10 days. Miss Ramo, yenye very careful. Me who article be by home office inspectors nibi about fee waiver delay and reasons for delay, you know. Aye nkrofo a omo nim se omo qualify for fee waiver. Omo nim se nye human rights no more yet. And so omo ye fee waiver to buy time. Misrepresentation 9.7.1. Misrepresentation 9.8.1. Miss Ramo. Ya de rewa ye be refuse your application. And we see you as ni nyina. Ti moma ye nyina ye nhye so. Na ye very very careful. Anti bishop we kakra we na pese me di twem.
Papa emo wahwe nyi nyina gu ho so du am me ba cho me ma wache emo wakwa ba e ba dwumadi so
ya we je so me ma wache no ho ye de
nyame ahira me pa cho ohene peja o minimum kakra ma me
ba so ti mo kan
me pa cho you yenko
o de me bi chef mi sister di no o ware ni no nya investment nke chire yo mo ma na se card na be ju resident card why you settlement maybe the song can be say sa mi pasa se la onia you this maybe and I say on cause straight na on kind passport details and ko guso
Ohene onhia e-visa me hu EU ni ba ko a this week oba ha wa lock the card no enti EU ni bia wo e-visa dada mo de ya start mo na mo de mo ye guinea pig ti mo na mo de mo ye try no o ma pass ade a wo se wo di guso ye wo new passport wonya di new passport no guso a ti me clients nyina mo beba ha no say ye we no more the passport no go so make catch on say omo ye share code omo use omo passport number instead of the BRP no my ye used to enti o hene no answer be updating the passport no also why
No, that's it. Okay. Thank you. Well,
ɛno ano no menua wode awie
well,
anɔpa yi yɛma wakwanja na bra line no so na wo ne papa ɛmɛdi nkɔmmɔ sanea abrɛ no abrɛ nyinaa yɛyɛ no no saa na ndɛ nso yɛatena ase na yɛde som yɛ community ɛyɛ 0208 133 4646 anaasɛ 0208 133 1134 woba so a mede wobɛma papa na papa ahwɛ wo nsɛm no mu nyinaa no ɔde ama wo pɛpɛɛpɛ na wobɛtumi afa yɛ WhatsApp line no nso so na wode aba on 0777 1950989 na yɛde wo asi papa office na watumi de nsɛm no nyinaa abrɛ wo pɛpɛɛpɛ anɔpa yi afe ɛna wode wafidie no to ha ha ɛyɛ Rainbow Radio mebakyɛ mema wakye ɛma wakɔ aba ɛba dwumadeɛ so
Eda masi me and the Uncle Benny and the Bishop Mishamo. Anyway, within the Dennis, the face is to contract. And the patrol with a no one send the Sakaka. Be settled me a true EU settlement basically. And the patrol by misrepresentation application. Now Uncle Ben can be misrepresentation. I say, but maybe I'll say, Kesima Troll that say Kufiana. Maybe my application. You sure that that question will be in there, but we need to show naturalization. But I'm because I say, my troll with that mom, and yet almost 7 years, 8 years ago. And but yes, application now, the yes, what will be the bearing on the new citizenship application? I mean, I hope say it might not be any witty, will be ours, so but because I think that we've surpassed that process in a long time. So I don't know.
Okay, or here say yes, I was also say baby sa question. But see I try say Kofi na wan connect ne omama asetena afebo na say ne unyi problem but we say we declare or say we share so always better say when you sure declare and affect your application and ya dey be affect no. And you're worried about it. Why?
You're me that. Now, me some bit of you.
Me bacho go declare why? Me van kotite. Who de kotite simbeto? Go declare. Bye bye. Me bacho we ujina sunu ma piki ujina sumame. Na ninyesa nipa ni me beko. Hello lawyer, I am applying for disability living allowance for my British disabled child. DWP want to know the child's status. I gave them child passport number. DWP says they want father's details, British passport number or naturalization certificate, which I cannot get. We have divorce. I have indefinite. I have sole responsibility for the child. Advise how to reply DWP, please, Papa.
Me pa chao kacha na say reply na no ana watwere go. Nti ade a watwere go no. On cut on copy. Na unsiesie ho kakra na nsamfa nkoma ho. 1.
No.
Also responsibility. 2. Ɔne akola no papa agyae oni details ne 3 akola no ɔmo bisa ne passport ɔde ama ɔmo ɔno maame no nso na ɛhwɛ so wɔ asetena ɔde ama ɔmo akola no papa ne life ɔmo nim di nti akola no papa ne life it may be domestic abuse it may be papa na no mpɛ so bɛba akola na life enti wo na de a wo watwere aba no watwere no mmara kwan mu enti wo kɔpe na wo siesie ne kakra what they call obetime the wow passport ne akola no even passport copy kra ka ho na what they call no amoma hu say papa no unim baby or unim unim the passport sabe anya ade a unim enti menyɛ sure sɛ ɛyɛ ade a ɛbɛyɛ affect akwadaa no application.
Papa, in this case, sɛ also obesiesie no kakra bi ni sɛ kakra no ohunu nsiesie a obetumi de aba na mo asiesie ama no na mo de akɔ.
Ade biara mɛka no sɛ government council ɛwɔ free legal advice for nkurɔfoɔ to say ɛyɛ ɔmo pɛ welfare benefit. Now yɛyɛ lawyers there, but me so me wɔ ɛhyɛ because me a community lawyer. Nti nye de biara mɛka sɛ fabra. Yes, sometimes yɛbɛka sɛ fabra na yɛnyɛ ma wo free. Yɛyɛ kyɛ nkurɔfoɔ de biara. But wokɔ Citizens Advice Bureau anaa wokɔ council hɔ a ɔmo wɔ advice voluntary anaasɛ charity lawyers a ɔmo yɛ charity. Ebi koraa wɔ hɔ a na ebi a wa qualify for legal aid. Wei ɛnyɛ adeɛ a wɔbɛ qualify. Ɔmo wɔ baako bi a nnora obi de brɛ me. Yɛfrɛ ɔmo Islington Law Center. Ana ɔmo nso ɛwɔ hɔ. Nti area bi a wɔ biara no, ebi a na ɔmo wɔ law center bi wɔ hɔ. Kɔ hɔ na ɔmo mmoa wo. Because minim baabi a wɔwɔ deɛ, you know, wopɛ sɛ wɔde ma yɛn na yɛhwɛ mu a yɛbɛtumi ahwɛ mu. But sɛ na de biara mɛka na yɛyɛ extremely busy. Nti yɛsɛ 5 minutes koraa ɛwɔ sɛ adeɛ a yɛyɛ na yɛ justify. But of course, wopɛ sɛ wobisa questions a wobɛtumi abisa na yɛahwɛ ama.
Papa, waka nye nyinaa twɛn me kakra mɛka biribi wɔ ho. Mebakyɛ mema wakye ɛma wakɔ aba ɛba dwumadie so.
Mepakyɛ megye so.
Ɔhema wadaroma yɛnkɔ.
Mepakyɛ me question is sɛ Sani ana lawyer ɛka sɛ misleading of information. Sɛ when you ban wɔ driving license so unya wɔ driving license so ansa na wobɛnya wɔ license no somewhere 96 driving without a license 96 ansa na woba unya wɔ license ɛno na wonkae date na mepakyɛ no so wobɛyɛ ne den.
Ɔhema
bibia by then now we use provisional license.
Mepakyɛ.
Okay, all right. Okay.
Bibia woyɛ bia wonkae bia no. Twerɛde ne hyɛ hɔ. Ɔmo bisa wo date na ka sɛ wonkae date no. Batwerɛ. Sɛ yɛban ne wo driving da. Wanya driving ban normally wonya 12 points a yɛtumi ban ne wo. Ebi wɔ hɔ a wɔ mobile phone so a yɛtumi ban ne wo anaa yɛ fine ne wo. Ne nyinaa no Mr. Twerɛ. Obanya box bi. Do you have any other information? Fashion sa box no na explain it. Your cover letter count na kasa won't kai. But when you won't kai date no, but ban say why?
Me pato me 6 points and sana me benya license ni 96 no. Eti no no say wo ye naturalization ya. Eno no be state wo so ana me pato.
Ohima mpacho state. Why? Because wow okay say my 6 points. Once I am out points. A fixed penalty, a conditional offer. Just bear in mind, sir, police for non-commitment the work of court. Or man for one court. Or more professor may settle no outside court. But your mouth 6 points. 6 points, you would do. Normally 3 points than Kayama. So your mouth 6 points, you would do papa. And I will so declare, but affect your application. Why?
My last question is why worry kunu pen na say mon kai dana mo worry na uko bisa subject access request ewo if kesi ma me pacho ubenya sa information ni nyina review date na
why worry kunu pen Papa ozo worry kunu pen enti kunu no timi worry was
so be
obi akoni fie
esi de bia enti se form no mo fill ye no so mo bisa date of marriage very likely says a partner spouse na original so a bisa nti wo request subject access sa na ebeba Mr. Sa no sɛ wowɔ 2 3 4 files wɔ hɔ a ebi wɔ mo mfa no nyinaa mba nti yɛ very specific about year na a wopɛ no na ɔmo nhwɛ no ɔmo fa mmra why
Me patro me dash.
okay
You say what are kunu pay next that's why you specific. Why?
Me patro.
I mean sure. Bye bye.
Um,
Wow. Me bacho me mawachi emu akwaba ebe dwumadi so. Wonso wa ware o yire pen ana. Me bacho me mawachi emu akwaba o.
Pastor Mijoso.
Bacho papa is you yenko.
Michelle Bishop, sorry.
Nana adaruma. Me joso.
Okay. Michelle Ben. Wait there. Masem ne say Madam Fubi or COS na say or switch it we should be a person why no. But nipa no si can and do 29,000 but omutu di omu sika bom di ebe brokra. No be success still of it me and that's on betre or banning kwa sika no more dia and that's a bit in the sika ko banning dia ho. And then my question. That's all.
ɔhene saa requirement na household income why it be sometimes grabi or wow bakraka ho nti yes ɔmo mmienu betimi di ɔmo sika bom why
Yo me that's it I'm sure
that's it.
Yes, so yada wasi. Anapa yi yene papa energy akonwa BWF Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. And then anapa yi na meka actually wo say wo ko akohwehwe papa a 4th floor and a house. Na 7 Sisters tube station udru ho a ube PF free exit 2. PF free exit 2 a papa no building na wo wonsa wanim ho na pe na building no ayewo awa atu na se o drive na eba me pa chew o drive na eba menua ma PQ gina so mame se o drive na eba the nearest car park ube park ya wasum bejo eye Tesco car park hono o privilege of 90 minutes with me park 90 minutes na ope postcode na N15 4NP na number ohwehwe 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters 214 to 218 High Road 7 Sisters your 4th floor of Anna House contact details ubetimi afresi say no book appointment zo meti say Uncle Ben any bishop edin komo ewo Rainbow Radio me pese meni Uncle Ben edin komo na me be hunu 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 na wadru eho me pa cho me mawachi ema wakwa ba ebadwumadi so anopai.
Hello, Bishop.
Bishop, Mr. Martin.
Oh, me pacho ma oba nan kasansa why me nim se apiki mienu ma oba nan kasansa oba nan kasa wi ana be manaba me pacho oba nan kasa ladies first
Bishop and I sing I'm in Sham planning to be at the Muam de Bois community. Me pacho me person me visa lawyer say me bisa ba British passport me ba me ye onya 10 years na me ye man 5 years na say no ewu me ko we say onya 15 years me ko ya ye be man for 10 years ya na say be san man 5 years
ɔhema nkola so yɛ under 18 na ɔmo nyinaa yɛ ma ɔmo 5 years why
me pacho okay it is say the onya 17 no me san koye bi mu a 5 years na no me de be ma no
na be no 18
okay
okay
papa said that be no 17
that was 15 to benya 16 March 16 obenya March
still oya kola denti a tisa na say or growth teenagers enyin pa nti omo nim no sesa. And into na ya omo ya no 5 years.
Okay.
So that to say maybe say we travel to this year,
Um,
the next 10 years cry no. Yes, many member akokra kakra, but still be hu say me a. But nkola na de almost sesa too much and into na omo ya no sa.
okay.
Yeah.
Actually, you
Okay.
guys, my confused.
Me pa cho me nye confuse no ano no. No na papa ka na nkola no se se bia na so aye tintin. Ne na so aye ti. Na nyame shira. Bye bye. Yema papa no kwan no so mra. Aja se aduru so. Wadaroma. Yema wakwaba ema wache ebadwuma die so.
Yo, Bishop, me ma wone Uncle Ben so achi.
Mo.
Me da se. Ene akonya ode ama me se me musa masem. Uncle Ben me pacho my year e-visa. No. Bi. Na se me koswa de ba ye ekwaya me fa so de my application. Ene da omode asetena no ma me ni died. Nti se me screw kosro kakra na mfunyina me twa ye de ye eno no so aba. Na enam se me card no nko na me de ye ni nti no. Ise me koswa me hu akwaya me fa so me de me passport no so me update me passport no. Na me bisaw se obetima bo me kakra fa he na me kwa metimi de me passport no so aguso. Ifri se afia wie ye no se de mama yanya ne ntie se card no ba bi kwa be na me fa so a metime de me passport no so aguso pacho ma sembusa.
Yes, Bishop. Ye nua ba ya oye. Now ya ka kire me teenagers no teenage no. So me use the word teenage and at the age of 15. And from 16 day kono say obetimi anya 10-year passport. But so your teenage there onya nti 12, 13, 14, 15. From 16 day kono onya consent. Reason tiane say because onya parental consent no. Omo no 10-year passport no from the age of 16. And say ne ba na di 16 na enyo no na o sign ama na o ma no consent o me ma no 10-year passport. Oyene say wokọ wo e-visa ne so a wokọ ba bia o see details documents update details o click documents o be ma option o de be update wo documents no atwa no photo na ekoso. Why? Enti ubetwa no photo na o de koso. But o account no your sections bebree. To call account no hwe ase a ubehu details ana ubehu documents. Sa document side no eho ana wasa wo upload no. What you say?
That's Uncle Ben.
Yeah.
Me that's me kona ma kwa kwa.
Ma ko ma hwe. Okay. Yeah.
That's it.
Yo, order for anopai iguso di juma. Uncle Ben, me pa cho Pamela beba na.
Pamela wo ho enti wa ye krado a yeso ya ye krado Pamela.
Ene me pa cho yemfa Pamela mra ye ba ni abefa last caller na kire say by 10:30 die ni ye pagya yemu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning, Bishop. Good morning, Mr. Wilson. Good morning to all our lovely viewers today. Today's topic is talking about avoiding common mistakes that leads to refusal and a 10 years ban. So there are general grounds for refusal under Part 9 of the immigration rules. These general grounds are found under 9.71 9.81. So we have three things under this part 9. We have misrepresentation, there is deception, and then there is innocent mistake. For misrepresentation and deception, what is looked out for is the intention behind the misrepresentation and the deception which is used in making an application. So when you are making an application, the Secretary of State has the authority to refuse your visa application if you use false documents, if you withhold information, if you use inaccurate information. So if you misrepresent your situation, or if you try to deceive the Home Office, if they find out, they will refuse that visa application. So if you also get a visa which is not from the Home Office, so there are some people who can get visas, it does not come from the Home Office, and then that's what they use to enter the country, or that's what they use to remain in the country. So if the Home Office finds that out as well, your leave or your entry clearance will be refused by the Home Office. So under paragraph 9.7.1, when you make an application and don't use genuine documents, or you lie on your application, you can be refused. It's not necessary that you knew that the information being entered in your application was false or not. For example, a lot of people give their applications to agents to do for them, and sometimes these agents put in information that are not accurate. For example, the agent probably does not know you have made a previous application which has been refused before. So when they ask the question, have you ever been refused an entry into the UK, or have you ever been refused a visa, they put there no, instead of declaring that yes, you have been refused a visa before, or you've been refused entry into a country before. That you probably don't even know that the agent puts such an answer for that question there, but it's not necessary that you know or you did not know. Your application may be refused by the Secretary of State. However, if in the circumstance you make an innocent mistake, the Secretary of State may not refuse your application, may not punish you because you did not use misrepresentation or deception. This is an innocent mistake you made. So you would still probably not meet the rules to get your leave. So you will still be refused. You may still be refused under the immigration rules, but you will not be punished by, getting the 10-year ban, because this was an innocent mistake. And that is quite very different from the misrepresentation and deception, because with the innocent mistake, you did not have the intention to deceive the Home Office or to provide false documents. So under 9.7.3 of Part 9, if you have applied for entry clearance and the Home Office finds out that you have submitted false documents, for example, your birth certificate is false, your application may also be refused. So there's also under 9.8.1 and 9.8.7, if you've submitted a false document, for example, a birth certificate, and then the Home Office later finds out that this document you used for your application is fake, they can come back and tell you they have cancelled your leave because they have found out that the document you used in submitting your application was a false document. So that is deception in a previous application. So if you use deception in a previous application, which is then found out by the Home Office later on, your leave can be cancelled. If you are also unsure of your information before you are making another application, so for example, your proof of addresses, maybe you've lived in maybe 5 different places and you cannot remember all of them, or there are certain information that your travel agent used in your previous application that you can't really remember, you can request your documents from the Home Office before making an application. This documents that you request from the Home Office, it's a subject access request. It would let the Home Office give you all the documents and the files they have on you, and then you can use that, you can read that and then use that to make your next application. But when you are making a subject access request, please note that it takes time, so allow yourself more time when you are going to make your next application. Do not wait for the last minute when you have to make your new application before you make a subject access request. Give yourself about maybe 6 months, 7 months, so that you can adequately have time to get that documents from the Home Office, go through it before making your application. There's also a document examination report and a document verification report that you can request from the Home Office. So in the situation where the Home Office comes to you and says, maybe, dear Mr. This, it has come to our attention that the birth certificate you used for your application was false. We have confirmed it from, the competent authorities in Ghana that they did not provide you with this birth certificate. You can write to them requesting this document verification report. You can ask them to give you a copy, which so that you can also make your decision from there. So be careful to check your documents, check the answers provided in your applications. Please make sure that when you are making an application or you give your application to someone to make it for you, you always look at the draft before you submit it. You always have to go through all the answers to make sure everything is accurate. Declare everything you have to declare. Make sure you provide genuine documents. Do not misrepresent anything. Do not try to use deception. Do not withhold information, because that could lead to a refusal of your application and possible 10 years ban. I hope this helps all of us. Have a great day. Thank you very much.
Pamela, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yenfa papa and Sambra. Me pacho, me ma watching, Emma Wakwaba, Ebedumadi, so we are last caller.
Good morning, no.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Bishop, and a good morning, Uncle Ben. But you know, I mean, besides that, your Home Office application now almost be for 6 months bank statement. Does the 6 months count from? Okay, let's assume that, and then I may me application. Does a 6 months can count from up to date, and as it counts from 25th of August backwards.
Well, here say partner application, and I say any application maintenance requirement. 6 months in a year, 6 months a month before the application. In January 26th, or bank statement from 26th of August back. That's how you do it. And it's a bank statement, so I am more than last one, and it's more than 28 days before the application. So that's a yardstick. The last bank statement, that's and it's a more than 28 days before the application. Why?
Oh, okay. And about your last one, I'm going to be printing my passing online now to use for Home Office application.
Yes, be our online account, be our bank statement. You will download the PDF and answer we a screenshot as a JPEG. Yes, in fact, now say almost prefer screenshot and a JPEG document, same PDF. I don't know why, but it seems as far as we are concerned, PDF and microphone to me forge it, but JPEG, so system bi wɔ hɔ a ɔmutumi hu sɛ yɛ forged document and anaasɛ nyɛ forged a nti wobɛtumi ayɛ screenshot nso why?
Okay.
Okay.
Yo, ɔhene yɛn nso yɛda wase wei deɛ atiefoɔ aha na anɔpa yi mmerɛ bɛma yɛ kwan na yɛde asi yɛfrɛ me Bishop Stanley Osebri Osei 37 minutes past 10 adwoa saa ɛboaboa no ho de aba enti yɛmfa papa nsi ha nyame yɛ adom a da sɛnnɛ wobɛti yɛn ka life and college papa kwadaroma wanum asɛm yɛtwa toɔ na yɛmfa dwumadie no mmra wieɛ.
Okay, Bishop, first of all, I'm saying Sanameka will be per video now or call website, your website or Mumanya careful near Nuanamon Casa because will be abandoned for 10 years. I am mobile. I buy you be a ye dini DHs almost 1 year. I feel I'm say quite be a sebe none in an episode back on her. I feel I quite be. Mumanya very careful. I didn't so the Akikanya apply to Appendix FM. Timo amo Appendix FM no de maka na nyane nyina by a video na ebe differentiate there a Appendix FM. Appendix FM your family. Any family application bia no niema ni bi intime affect no. Enti ye beja mo ha na dapɛne nso yɛhyia mo. Ɔkyena Eunice ɛne Charles, Friday Saturday nso yɛ Charles na ɛmenkyɛ adeɛ obiara yɛda mo ase. Bye bye.
Bye. Papa, nyame nhyira wo. Yɛda wo ase sɛ ɛnɛ wabue igya ama nneɛma akɔ kamakama pa ama yɛ. Nyame yɛ adom a yɛbɛkasa. Na sesei yɛsiesie ho for ayie no. Ɛno na sesei yɛbɔ so dendendenden. Papa, mɛfrɛ wo. Nyame nhyira wo. Bye bye.
Based in London, we are a dynamic award-winning firm specialising in a range of legal services. Welcome to BWF Solicitors, a trusted and experienced law firm specialising in immigration and nationality, appeals and judicial review, dispute resolution, family and matrimonial, and other family law disputes with international context. These include matters such as private child arrangement orders, contestant and uncontested divorce, non-molestation for domestic violence, and financial remedy. Our childcare and family team appreciate the issues facing you at such a difficult time. Our advice is delivered in a confidential and sensitive manner. Meet Bernard Owusu, our esteemed senior partner. With over 32 years of experience and known for his expertise and dedication to serving our clients and the community. BWF Solicitors stands for integrity, respect, excellence, teamwork, diversity, inclusion, and service to the community. We provide tailored assistance specific to your case. At BWF Solicitors, every day is filled with dedication, creativity, and a commitment to finding the best solutions for our clients. Our team at BWF Solicitors is ready to assist you with all your legal needs. You can find us at the 4th floor, Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road, Seven Sisters, London, N15 4NP. Our main office line is 0208 493 7340, or our emergency line is 07712 761 884.